Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? Well, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Getting Busy with the Bee. Of course, my name is Bee. And this morning we are going to make a very simple breakfast. As you can see this morning, look at my face. So we are going to make some tortilla with scrambled egg and a little sausage in there. All right. So without further ado, let's get busy. All right, the first thing we want to do, we want to start with our sausages. All right, I'm going to use a griddle here to get them started. Okay. I'm going to use 4 of them. All right. While we're working on the sausages, we're gonna start getting our egg together. All right. I'm using 1 shallot. Okay. So let's clean that up. That's it. All right, and I'll be using a little bit of peppers here. All right. A piece of red pepper. Okay. And that should do it. I don't need too much. Okay, so let's cut up these real quick. Doesn't have to be fancy, okay? Just cut them up. We don't need to make fancy cuts. Alright. It's morning, it's breakfast, we're hungry, we're busy. We don't need to to make fancy cuts. I don't know how to make fancy cuts anyway, so. Alright. Okay, so that's it right there. Meanwhile, we're keeping an eye on the sausages. Alright. I have them on low over there, so should be alright. So here, cutting my shallots. Oops. Alright. Cutting my shallots. Okay. I have 5 eggs here. I'm using 6 tortilla. I found that 3 tortilla per person is good because tortilla is very light, you see. I found that 3 per person is good, so that's it. So, and then I have hot pepper here that I'm gonna put in my eggs. All right, so let's get the eggs ready. Okay, for my eggs, I like to remove that white thing in there. Okay, so take that out. As much as you can, You may not be able to take everything out. Just a way for us to, sometimes eggs have a funny smell, and then this is what's causing it. So once you take that out, see? Take that out. Alright. Retirer j'aime jus, pour ne pas sentir du. Mais ou capable, hein? Alright, so now, once you take everything out, like that, now what we can do, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Now I may not even need a lot of salt because my sausage has salt, so I'm gonna just put, that's it, 1 pinch of salt in here because the sausage already have salt in it, so we don't really need to add that much salt. And also I'm gonna add some turmeric to my egg. Turmeric is very good for you and also help us with the nice color with our eggs. All right. And also, we're gonna cut some peppers, some hot pepper. Yes, I'm using my hands. It's not hot. It's not that hot. You see? Oh yeah, yeah. It just. I tried it. It's not that hot. That's why I dare holding it like that. Okay, so now we are going to jump over. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna grab my sausages, and then we're gonna cut them up a little bit. You know what I mean? Let me grab them real quick. All right, look at that. Look how gorgeous they look. All right, so what I wanna do, I just wanna chop them up a little bit because I'm gonna mix them with the eggs. You know. There we go. There we go. See? There we go. Just like that. You know, just cut them in small pieces. All right. The last one. All right. So now, let's jump on the stove and get this baby started. Alrighty. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, just a drop, not much, okay? Because we want to be able to fry our vegetables real quick. All right. Oops. That's it. Yeah, just fry it a little bit. Alrighty. And then what we want to do also, our griddle is still hot. You see, look at all the fat. I'm just getting rid of all the fat that came out of these the sausages. Look at that. Take something to get rid of that. Because I want to warm up my tortillas on there. There we go. Wipe that out. The tortilla just take a few seconds to warm up. Okay. Alright, so I can add my sausages right now. Alright. Okay. That's it. Remember, sausage is already cooked. Alright. Now we can add our eggs. Alrighty. Gonna cover up everything with the egg. Alright. Don't walk away from it, okay? Reduce your heat and start pushing the liquid inside as soon as you see an edge formed. Okay? Alright. There we go. Continue pushing like that. I could have used a larger skillet to do that. Too late now. I wanted the egg to expand. But that's alright. Okay. Got that. Flip it. There we go. Reduce your heat, okay? Significantly here. All right. Now we're gonna heat up our tortilla. Doesn't take long. 2 at a time. Okay. I can turn off my heat now under the eggs. Alright. There we go. I wanna crumble them a little bit. There we go. Alright. There we go. Okie doke. Alrighty. Okie dokie. So we're gonna fix everything up and I'll bring you back for the presentation. Alright, for tortilla it's only a few seconds per side. Okay. Gonna do 2 more. You just wanna warm it up. That's it. Alright. You just wanna warm it up. There we go. Last one. Follow the package instruction. Okay. So next we are going to make a little juice, real quick. I think I have some watermelon here, so we're gonna make some watermelon juice. That's about it. To go with our eggs and then sausage. Alright. I'll take you along with me. Alrighty. So you cut up all your watermelon. Don't add any water. And you start blending. You may want to push the thing down a little bit to help the machine. Alright. But do not add water. You want pure watermelon juice. Okay, that's about it. Only a few seconds. What I like to do also to my watermelon, I like to add some lemon juice. Alright, put that in there. Okay. Just, because watermelon is kind of blend. So we just want to have a little kick. Alright. That's it. It's like you're making watermelon lemonade. There you go. That's it. One more quick buzz. And that's it. Got your and everything. Let's start eating.
Getting busy with the beat. Abone. Partage. Like. Getting busy with the beat. With the beat. Oh, oh. Getting busy.
If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so. That would be wonderful. It will be wonderful to have you, as one of our subscribers. All right, that will encourage us to produce more videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, and to give a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me this morning. And guess what? I'll see you at the next one. I have another recipe coming up right now, today. I'm going to film it today. Okay? See you guys later. Bye-bye, everybody.